Yeah. Canton Network. The institutions are waking up. ETF just dropped. Let's go, let's go. Wall Street quiet, now they making noise. Canton got the ETF, institutional boys. 21 shares, open the gate, BlackRock watching close. Tokenized treasuries, repo and private flows. No more TradFi versus crypto, we bridge the divide. Bankers in the boardroom, now they on our side. CC token burning, fees stacking high. This the quiet revolution they can't deny. From pilots to production, the volume gon' surge. When the big money moves, the whole game converge. Canton ETF, bankers in the building. Institution loading, CC moving. Real money, real value, real adoption. Canton Network, this the new foundation. ETF. Watch the inflows pour. Traditional finance knocking on our door. CCC to the sky, we changing the game. Canton Network, forever in the Hall of Fame. DTCC, Broderick, Visa in the mix. Private subnet secure, no one can't hack this. Collateral settlements all running smooth. The old system slow, Canton got the move. Bankers buying CC, filling up their bags. This ain't retail hype, this institutional swag. From Zurich to New York, they see the vision clear. Canton just became their favorite frontier. They laughed at first, now they quietly accumulate. The quietest revolution in finance is here. Canton ETF, bankers in the building. Institutions loading, CC molding. Real usage, real burns, real value flow. It's the marriage of TradFi and crypto. Higher, higher, higher. Watch the price ascend. It's the future that the smart money defend. Canton Network, we running the show. Institutional king, now the whole world know. Canton, Canton. The banker's favorite token, ETF season. We just getting started.
Welcome everybody back to the channel. We're coming to you today with Canton Network. Canton Network, want to come and let you know we're sitting at a price of 15.3 cents, down 1.69%, while other Bitcoin's down 3.5%, XLM's down 7.28%, and XRP down 3.1%. I made a video, told you a couple days ago Bitcoin was going to pull back, that if you needed an asset to put your money in to not pull back too much, it would be Canton Network. I don't know if you did or not, but we just been basically consolidating within this range. Let's see, this range right here, we just been consolidating within this area right here, above this area of support right here. And that's what we got right now on this right here. So unless we lose 15.2 cents, we still holding good right here. But this ain't what I brought you here for. I wanted to give you an update, let you know this time to load the truck. Soon it ain't gonna be, you ain't gonna be able to get this crypto for this price. So I like to say, start off with, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Canton Network, the CC token. Right now, Canton, you know, I just gave you the price of trading this around 15.3, 15.4 cents. After a solid run earlier, we've seen a hefty correction. As you can see, we went up to 16.5 cents earlier. A lot of retail traders are getting scared of selling the dip. But when I look at the 4-hour chart, the order flow, and the technicals, I believe this is exactly the kind of dip you should be loading up on. You ain't going to be able to get Canton too much longer for a price like this. The big move is loading, and this could be one of the best accumulation zones we'll see, and might be the last accumulation zone you ever see for 15 cents for Canton Network. Stick around for the next 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly why. We're going to do the price action breakdown. Let me get over here on the chart, and I'm going to go over here and get back on the chart right here. And we're going to read the chart here. Let's look at the overall structure of the 4-hour time frame. Canton's pulled back, you know. Right now, we're seeing, small green candles and price holding above the recent lows. This kind of consolidation at the down move often precedes the next leg higher. The key support zone is right here where we're at, the 15.2 to 15.3. We need to hold this area. As long as we hold this area and the higher, the higher time frame structure remains intact for the bulls. So here's the real story. Here's where it gets exciting, y'all. Let's look at the CoinGlass data. Futures bid and ask delta has turned strongly positive. If you're looking on the chart, strongly positive recently, and with bars, reaching up to 94,000. This shows buyers are stepping in aggressively on the future side. Funding rates are mildly positive. Longs are paying a small premium, but nothing extreme right now. As we look at the overall open interest, is stable around 60.78 million. Positions aren't being flushed out. While CVD is still negative, overall, the recent shift in futures delta suggests smart money is quietly accumulating while retail is fearful. Don't sell, you can't. Because once you do and it starts pumping, you're going to be getting in much higher. So I'll just put it in there and leave it and don't worry about it. This divergence between, spot sellers and future buyers is often a precursor to a strong reversal. Look at the momentum indicators. The MACD is, it's bearish but clearly flattening. The downward momentum is losing steam. We're losing steam on the way down. We're getting back to the bottom of that channel that I showed you earlier. I put the rectangle box in. But the RSI is sitting at a very comfortable 45, 46, neutral but far from oversold. This gives us plenty of room for upside without being overheated. Stochastic RSI is hovering around the, I say 49, 57, somewhere out there, neutral and far from oversold. This gives us plenty of room for the upside without being overheated. Stochastic is hovering around the mid-50s, neutral and ready to turn higher. We're not seeing extreme fear readings, which means this correction still has room to run. But we're also, we're also not at a point of total exhaustion. This is a sweet spot for accumulation, y'all. Big picture. Why this is the loading zone. Zooming in. Canton had a powerful move higher and is now going through a normal post-pump digestion phase. These dips are exactly where serious investors load up before the next major leg. We're seeing early signs that selling pressure is drying up and buying interest is returning through futures. If Bitcoin stabilizes or pushes higher, altcoins like Canton tend to move much faster. This setup screams time to load the dips, not chase the top, but accumulate while the chart is still quiet and retail is distracted. You buy on the red days, y'all. Remember, buy on the dips. Here are the levels I'm watching. Support load up zone 15.2, 15.3. Strong buy zone. Deeper dip to 14.8 would be even better entry. Resistance and targets. First target, we got 15.8 to 16 cents. That's our first target of resistance. Next target of resistance would be at 16.5 to 17 cents. You don't want to buy up there. You want to buy where you're at right now. Strategy, dollar cost average into the 15.2 to 15.5 range. Set alerts above 15.8 for confirmation of the reversal. Manage risk with stop below 14.8 if you're aggressive. To summarize, Canton is giving you time to load up on this dip show. Positive futures delta, neutral RSI, and stabilizing price action all suggest a big move higher is loading. Don't let fear keep you on the sidelines. Don't do what a lot of other people do. Chase the FOMO, buy at the top. And I'm not saying everybody buys at the top, but if you got the chance to accumulate, I'm telling you, this is the opportunity. The best opportunities in crypto come during the quiet accumulation phases. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you loading Canton dips right now? Are you loading the dips? Let me know in the comments. what price are you targeting? Me personally, I give you mine right now. As soon as I get through making this recording, I'm buying some more Canton. If you enjoyed this breakdown, how about smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification so you'll never miss the next update. And always, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and keep stacking, y'all. Don't never stop stacking. Canton Network. So, till the next one, God bless you.